this gets some white bread. It works better with that. Just cut off the crusts. Excuse you, crust. Now get a rolling pin and flatten this out. Now get Vegemite. Next, put on some strawberries. Now this might seem like, what do you mean, strawberries? I've experimented, and this is just my own personal taste. I've tried this with various things, and I actually find that the strawberries I really, really like with the Vegemite. So now we just roll it. So we roll. And just repeat with however many you want to make. Now put a couple of eggs in a bowl, a little bit of milk, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just mix this together. Now just dip these in, coat them, and then once you've coated all the ones that you've made, put them in a frying pan with some butter or oil and drop them in once the butter oil is heated. So just cook until they are done. Pop them on a plate, garnish if you wish, eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. Just throw a few strawberries around, dust with a little bit of icing sugar, confectionery sugar.